Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about the technophone setting friends. In this video friends, I will show you guys how can you on guys your adaptive brightness in your technophone. Friends, you want to on guys adaptive brightness in your technophone, so friends you can on it. And guys now let's see how to on guys adaptive brightness in our technophone. In this video I will show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to on guys adaptive brightness. Then guys you can see that this type of setting, guys click on guys your display and brightness setting friends. And guys you can see adaptive brightness friends, tap here. So guys you want to on guys your relative brightness, so guys you can on from here. After on guys your brightness will decrease automatic because I am inside. So when you will go outside guys your brightness will increase automatic like that guys. You can use your adaptive brightness setting in your technophone guys. So as you want to on guys adaptive brightness your technophone, so guys you can on it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. So friends, you have doubt any guys in your technophone related to guys your brightness setting friends, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching.